Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Monzo. But first, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, to start, go to your browser and search for monzo.com. Banking made easy. Spend, save and manage your money, all in one place. Open a full UK bank account from your phone and it's for free. Now, you can click on Open a Monzo account to start using Monzo. But let's try to explore Monzo first. If you scroll down a little bit here, you can see these reviews like a full UK current account you can open in 15 minutes. And if you scroll down a little bit again, you can see that organize your money however you'd like with pots. See your money in a whole new light with trends. And here save, earn up to 4.30% interest on your savings. That's on a 12-month fixed pot with £500 minimum deposit to open. Fixed means the money will be locked away for 12 months while you earn interest on it. We offer easy access savings too, which let you get your money the next working day. You can start saving with Monzo. And let's try on scrolling down again. Under spend, get instant notifications the second you pay. Set budgets for things like groceries and going out. And get warnings if you're spending too fast, if you want them. Now let's try to scroll down a little bit again. Under manage, you can pay direct debits through Monzo and will tell you if they're higher for the upcoming month. So no nasty surprises. Let's try to scroll down again. And here you can see how it works. And online banking that makes a statement. Turn heads with our white metal card, made from steel. Enjoy peace of mind with extensive phone and travel insurance, interest, and much more. You can click on Explore Monzo Premium. And if you scroll down a little bit again, you'll see this put money in your hands. Full financial visibility with your other bank accounts and credit cards all in one place. Get interest on your money, personalized budgeting, and much more. You can explore Monzo Plus. If you scroll down a little bit again, you will see this using Monzo abroad. Use Monzo anywhere in the world that accepts MasterCard. We don't charge any fees for spending abroad, and we don't mark up the exchange rate, unlike most other banks. You can try traveling with Monzo. Then, pay later for pretty much anything. You can use Monzo Flex to spread the cost of pretty much anything. If eligible, it's interest-free over 3 installments. Or, there's 6 or 12 installments at 24%, APR representative or variable if you want more time. Monzo Flex is credit for eligible 18-plus-year-old. Terms and conditions apply. Carefully consider the cost of using credit for purchases. Missed payments may negatively impact your credit score, and you may lose the interest-free rate on existing plans. Under borrowing, loans, and overdrafts, we offer overdrafts up to £2,000 and loans up to £25,000. Checking if you're eligible won't leave a mark on your credit score. There are no lengthy forms to fill in, and no charges for paying us back early. You can start borrowing with Monzo. Now, you can protect yourself from fraud. Don't make payments or share your data if something seems unusual or unexpected. Stop and challenge. Take a look at some common scams and learn how they work so you can keep your money safe. Fraudsters are clever and use sophisticated tactics, so knowing what to look out for can help stop them. You can protect yourself from fraud. Now let's go back at the top and create a Monzo account. What you have to do is go to your App Store or Play Store and install Monzo Bank mobile banking app. After that, you can now open Monzo app. Over 7 million people bank with Monzo. If you want to sign up, you can click on I'm new to Monzo, or if you already have an account, click on I already have an account. You can organize your money and grow your savings with pots. You can see here that you can purchase with Monzo. Let us stay on top of your bills for you. You can also pay your bills with Monzo. Pay anywhere in any currency for free. If you're on a trip, you can pay using Monzo. Split one-off bills and group expenses. You can also pay your food using Monzo app. Now let's try on clicking I'm new to Monzo. To join Monzo, you have to tell your email address you like to use for all things on Monzo. So here, you can put your email address. But if you already have a Monzo account, make sure you use the same email address. Now let's try to put our email address here and then click Next. Check your email. They just sent you an email to your email address. It has a magic link that will send you into Monzo. Don't share or forward this email. Welcome to Monzo. We're so glad you've decided to join us. We're here to make money work for everyone and put you back in control of your finances. We secure your data in line with our privacy notice and terms and conditions. You can now click on Next. Let's get to know each other. It should take about 5 minutes to get set up and answer a few questions, and you'll need some photo ID, like a passport or driving license. We'll save your progress as you go, so you can come back to it if you need to. You can now click on Let's Get Started. And here you can choose between personal account, joint account, or business account. Here we can try on personal account. Then click Next. You also have to put your basic details like your full legal name, your last name, and your date of birth. After that, you have to put your home postcode in United Kingdom. And there you have successfully created your Monzo account. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.